The founder of McDonald's didn't found it. He bought it and took the brothers' own name with it. Their family says one handshake cost them hundreds of millions a year. In 1948, brothers Dick and Mac McDonald invented fast food itself, the Speedee Service System, an assembly line kitchen serving burgers in seconds. Their California restaurant was a sensation. In 1954, a 52-year-old salesman named Ray Kroc visited and saw an empire. He began franchising and by 1961 bought the brothers out for $2.7 million, $1 million each after tax. But the deal included their name. The brothers had to rename their original restaurant. Then a new McDonald's opened 1 block away. Their family maintains Kroc also promised a handshake deal for a 0.5% royalty on all future sales. It was never written and never paid. Today, that's hundreds of millions annually. Kroc spent the rest of his life calling himself the founder. The men named McDonald got a check and lost the right to their own name. Every ordinary thing has a hidden past. Follow Weird Origins to find out yours.